Hey guys, it's Gamer. Welcome back to another video. Just here in Minecraft Pocket Edition and making some redstone and stuff. And here's my redstone build. 1, 2, blah blah blah. Oh my god, it's raining. The dogs. Wait a sec. Okay, what you're gonna do is you need a block water tree and a cyan clay. So break 2 space and put a cyan clay over here and put a quartz and there. Just do it this along and put wait. Put 1, 2, 3, 4 4. Oh, wait a sec. Yeah, 4 of those. And oh my god, it's raining, guys. I sorry not face cam. Just put a glass in here, and then if you put the glass in there, just put a slab in here, then here. There. While it rains in real life, it rains in here too. So yeah, just put it along in the Minecraft Pocket Edition. You know it. Yeah. And do it like that, okay? When you do that, just put the block and this there, and put block in here, and this, and this, and this, and put why am I choosing that? My god, what am I doing? What am I doing? Do it like this. Put a block in here, a glass in here, a glass there, and some glass in here. Do it like that. And when you put that, just put a block in there and wait a sec. If you do that, kindly get some quartz slabs and just go over here like this. God, what? I'm breaking some stuff. Why am I breaking some stuff? Now it's looking pretty good, right? Then go in here and put some blocks. Then yeah, it's looking good, right, guys? When is it looking pretty good, especially? So, and then get your snow block. You need some snow, okay? Okay. I have the wrong thick one. Snow, where are you? There you are. So you need some top snow and put one over here. 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And going here, over here. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, guys, it's look cool now. It's really look modern. So, go here. I mean, not 5, it's 4. Distraction but 5 because 5 is my favorite number. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, like here. Cover around with snow like this. After, if you cover around with snow, what the heck? Okay, let's go here. Yeah, it's so great now. Get your gray, here, just cover here. Cover this with your block, any kind of block you want that you put in here. But I like it. Just wait a second. I will take off this rain real quick because it's so annoying. It annoys me. Yeah, sleep makes me want to sleep in real life. I'm gonna do like this. You're gonna break 2 blocks. And I'm gonna get away of this. So I'm gonna get my lapis blocks. Oh no. Why am I breaking the sides, not the top of them? Just break it like this. Yeah, it's looking good. Now it's looking pretty good. Yep, it's looking pretty good. Okay, so do it like this. Put all the lapis and cover it all of your block for a modern house. This is for dogs, okay? Not for humans, not for newbies. Yeah, not like for that. Not for newbies, okay, guys? Don't give it this for noobs. Okay, put some ice block. If you have a texture pack with real ice, like a super nice block, will be nice. If you have that kind of texture. Okay. Sorry for the snow is spraying, cause too hot. That's why we're gonna have that. If you wanna prank somebody or someone, haha, you will do this. You really want to do this. Yeah. If you really want to prank somebody, you need to do this. Yeah, go underneath this thing. Build some. Really cool prank for somebody. If you own it. So just build a button underneath the wait a sec, guys. Okay, you need to have a piston, sticky piston like this, and put some block like that. Just get a redstone block, a touch of them there at the redstone thingies. So, and put a redstone reaper in here. Put a piston. Oh, wait a sec, guys. Wait a sec. Okay, guys, so look at this. Did you see that? Right? You see that? So, yeah. I'm gonna dig down, then you see the pieces. You can use a piston, not a sticky piston. You can use a piston too. Okay. So, yeah. This. That. And, yeah. Yeah. So, do like that. Just. Why is it breaking? It's too hot in here. That's why it's breaking. Feel hot too. I was just joking. Okay. Get your block. Your block I'm gonna use. Yeah. You need the dirt though. Let's get off the snow. So, yeah, like that. And just put dirt in a kind of block. And there you have it. Just need that. Wait a sec. Okay, let's sit. Come on here. Okay. Let's code this up. There. And that's you have a dog house. Right? Right. So if you enjoyed this, guys, please leave a like and subscribe. And comment down below if you want more episodes. And this is my dog. Like, if you like my dog, I will name it Mark. Okay. Enjoy this. Please leave a like and subscribe. Peace out.